Let's hop aboard TRS Corals and Grand Palladium Hotels complimentary water taxi ride. We're cruising past the chapel, which can be used for weddings and religious services. Located behind the Boat Stop 1 signage in aqua green, that shaded building is the theater. Located in the village, this building is used for nightly shows on the resort. We're approaching one of the many restaurants on the resort. La Aldalita offers Mexican gastronomy. Dive into the delicious cooking of Thailand and discover Bangkok through each one of their exquisite plates at Chiang Thai. After you've experienced the dining cultural richness of the Asian Southeast, you have to check out Chic Cabaret and Restaurant right next door. Chic Cabaret offers a unique and unforgettable 3-hour show dinner experience with more than 25 artists performing on stage. On the back side of the wall, you can notice that beautiful artistic moss mural. Here's the Aqua Bar, a great place to enjoy a drink after the show. Please note, Chic Cabaret and Restaurant remains an included experience for TRS Coral Hotel guests, but there is an additional fee if you are staying at the Grand Palladium Hotel or off the resort. Guests can enjoy a scenic adventure on the taxi boat to wherever you wish to go on the resort. We rode the taxi boat to the closest stop near the Zentropia Spa. As you can see, the taxi boat operator allowed Denora to be the helmswoman for the afternoon. Other boat stops include the TRS Coral Front Desk, Grand Palladium Front Desk, the Travel Club Members Lounge, and 2 Grand Palladium buildings. Overall, we had fun on the boat ride. It was a great shared experience for us to get to and from places on the resort while enjoying scenic views, listening to music, and meeting new friends. We want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next one.